Welcome back to Subtech Online. Yes, yesterday I posted a post on our WhatsApp channel asking you want to move quickly a cell that is reference S1215 in your worksheet. To achieve this, you type the cell reference into a particular area of screen and then press enter. What is the area of screen called in which you type the cell reference? So there are three things we need to know the difference. What we posted, I think we had the name box, the formula bar, and the title bar. So after the three, you'll tell who won the quiz. So the first thing is, let me start from the bottom, the title bar. The title bar is always this, where we have the workbook name. For those having 365, that's where even you can save your document or change its location. So that is the title bar. So the title bar has nothing to do with anything to do in the cells. So if we come to this raw data, any change you do in the title bar doesn't change anything, which means that one is wrong. Then we go to the next. The next was the formula bar. So on the formula bar is this. We all know that the formula bar, we use it to tell the cell value or what is composed in the cell. So the moment you click on the cell, what is in the cell, neither it be a formula, a number, a string. Let's say if I click in the header here, you'll see total product cost. So this is the formula bar. There is nothing I can do to reference directly to S1215 as how it is said. Now let's go to the third. The third is this, that is the name box. So how do we use the name box? The moment the name box gives you the name of the cell. So the moment I click in K7, it will tell you that this is K7. So which means if I wanted to go directly to S1215, so I will type here S1215. I'll go directly to that cell named S1215. So which means at the end of the day, if you want to go quickly to a cell reference, we use the name box by typing in the name of that cell. So the person who won this is Nibat Nwamanya. Thank you, Nimanya. Thank you. Please keep following us. Join us on our Subtech Learn online channel and WhatsApp group, where we always post ideas and disintegrate data and get the value out of the data. Otherwise, continue subscribing to Subtech Online. Go ahead and visit all our social media accounts and meet you in the next video. Bye bye.